Hey guys, here we are again. We're gonna do another guitar unboxing. This time we're doing hers. The chef gets a new guitar. This one is the Epiphone SG Special VE Vintage Edition in cherry flavor. So let's do it.
I should be cutting onions. Plastic bags.
I know, right?
Bubble wraps.
There we go. That's a better angle. So I just opened up the walnut one, and the walnut finished the SG, and this one here is the cherry, as you'll soon see.
This is mine.
And that's hers. So what we do is we buy these budget guitars, and we kind of work on them both together. That's kind of our little husband-wife team thing that we do, and do our upgrades to each one, and make them our own personal, whatever you want to call them, guitars. Yeah. Ooh, nice. I like that. You can never tell what these are going to look like until you actually get them in front of you. I mean, the pictures online just never do them justice, but when you get them, they just look so cool. Yeah, that's a nice looking finish. I like it. Very nice. Got your Epiphone 700T bridge pickup. You got your Epiphone 700R, I believe it is, neck pickup. Not too bad. The pickups aren't bad. I've played with these before. However, we'll still change them because, well, that's what we do. And we'll put some on this guitar. We decided, or she decided, we're going to go ahead and put some chrome covered humbuckers on there. Probably some Wilkinsons, just kind of keep it on the cheap, I guess. And then what we're going to do is just feel the edge of the fretboard and see if there's any fret sprout, which absolutely none whatsoever. Feels great. Later on, we'll plug it in and we'll start playing it after we tune it, and then check for high frets, any kind of fret buzz. But
My first chosen color.
yeah, very nice. We needed a shorter scale guitar for her because when she started taking lessons, immediately discovered that the longer scale neck, like on a Telecaster or Stratocaster, was just a little bit too large for her hands, at least for right now. Once she gets more experience in playing, then she'll probably go back to a Telecaster or Strat. But for now, in the learning phase, let's try to keep it as simple as we can, and that's why we bought the shorter scale SG. Everything looks nice and clean up here. The tuners, I never really cared for much on these Epiphones, so we already have some replacements for those. It looks to be 2021. Focus. Yeah, 2021. So, and there you go. 2021 guitar. Everything looks solid. Yeah. Here, hon. Hold your new guitar, hon. Yeah.
Now I can hold properly.
Yeah, we'll get her all tuned up and maybe put a strap on there or something, but first we'll get the we'll do the mods.
Yes.
So what do you think, hon? You like it?
I like it so much.
Beautiful. So we'll hang that on the wall next to the other one, and
This is my second mine guitar.
there you go. Yeah, definitely. A lot of times people get these SGs as their first guitar, and they just love them and they hold on to them. They move on, you know, people will move on to bigger, better, more expensive, whatever instruments, but these ones, a lot of times people will keep them as kind of a keepsake. So anyways, enough blabbering. There's our new Epiphone SG Special VE Vintage Edition in the cherry flavor. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and
It's not a cherry flavor, it's cherry color.
that's right. Anyways, yeah, okay. All right, thanks for watching guys, and until next time, take care and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.